Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you to the Owltron indoor camera here. It's a 360 degrees pad cam with app for dogs, for example, for cats, of course, for other pets, indeed, and of course it's also good for your baby monitoring. And of course, home security. You can see this is an all-in-one device here. It's a 1080p baby monitor with night vision, auto tracking, two-way audio, and it works with Alexa if you like. It is available in white, as shown here, and also in black on the market. 1080p Full HD indoor security cam with pan, tilt and zoom PTZ function via the app. We can preset favorite spots up to 6 for fast cruise positioning. Owltron's home security camera will provide us with a 360 degrees panoramic view of every corner as our room, store, garage, basement, etc. This pad cam with app control will detect and track the moving of objects. That means of running objects or movable objects, of course. And it gives us a motion alert. This will be sent to our phone to keep us informed of every potential danger at home. This allows us to disable motion detection in certain areas, of course. This indoor cam combined with the application of the artificial intelligence technology invalid alerts filtering makes the alert very accurate. The indoor Wi-Fi cam, built-in noise filter technology, two-way deconversation is possible. We can stay connected with our beloved one from anywhere at any time. This baby monitor camera equipped with 8 to 850 nanometers infrared LEDs. Auto switching to night vision mode when the environment is dimmed. This security cam here is wireless use. This will let us enjoy industry-leading video clarity. When the motion will be detected by the wireless IP camera, it will gives us an alert notification. And of course, it brings us a 10-second video will be sent to our phone. Just open the app to check it quickly. What's going on at home? The security cam for pets supports 24/7 live stream recording and video playback features. This lets us know what's going on at the past, and we can check anytime, and it will not miss any important movement at home, for example. And we can use the AWS cloud to provide included our 14 days free cloud storage. This smart indoor pad cam with the phone app also supports local storage of recording with the microSD card, which is not included. But it is possible to get a microSD card up to 128 GB into it. Both can replay 14 days videos. The Owltron home Wi-Fi security cam provides the highest protection of data and privacy via the AES 128-bit encryption and TLS encryption protocol. Our data are stored in our local ADNS cloud services. No access to any countries, and that's cool. But of course, this is an additional part of it. Owltron says welcome to the world and happy to meet us over here. Owltron is committed to providing high-quality, high-tech goods, services, products for home and small and medium-sized business users, and striving to build a safer network world. Because here we can add a lot of cams to the app, so we can control our big or small or medium-sized business with that Owltron security cam. Not only private areas, of course. We keep an eye on our baby or pets when we are outside. Remote our camera lens via the smart app. We get a 360 degrees full view of our room, store, garage, basement, or what we like. The Wi-Fi cam comes with an infrared LEDs, auto switching to night vision mode when the environment is at night. The indoor security cam, with 1920 to 1080p megapixels, presents sharper details and complete panoramic scenes if we like. And we have real-time two-way audio. The built-in 38 decibel microphone speaker and an anti-noise technology gives us the possibility that this Wi-Fi cam offers us a smooth conversation with our family, with strangers, with a baby, or with our pets from anywhere, and of course, anytime. And the voice is louder than other cameras on the market via the mobile phone app, of course. And it works with Alexa, so it's easy to use. The baby cam can fast connect to works with Alexa, so we have just to say, hey Alexa, just show me the baby room, for example. It connects with the select Alexa devices to launch on-demand video and our voice command for instant viewing. And human motion detection and smart app alert. The Wi-Fi cam equipped with an advanced IR motion detection and a smart human detection, which can snapshot and record 15 seconds videos automatically to save on our local SD card and the cloud when motion will be detected. Our pad cam will quickly send an alert notification to our mobile phone if we like this, and we can use multi-user real-time sharing. The indoor baby monitor supports multiple users to view simultaneously from iPhone, Android phones, and iPads. We should share a camera with friends and family for any precious moments if we like. The same application account can connect to a large number of cameras, and we can watch up to 16 cameras at the same time if we like. And of course, it comes with the all-day 24 hours baby monitor function. With the app for the indoor cam, we can remote monitor and watch our baby wherever it will be. The baby cam can record all videos and audio 24 hours a day for up to 21 days. Playback and share it for free from anywhere. We never worry about the danger. And IR night vision. With 1080p Full HD resolution, the home security camera displays a clear, smooth live video. It built in 8 IR LEDs and an auto-sensing active night vision. The indoor cam captures clearly night videos up to 10 meters and can remotely monitor our baby room in complete darkness. And of course, 1080p FHD, Full HD. The best in the class. The night vision, at least we capture every important detail, no matter the time of the day. The 8 infrared non-invisible LED lights are integrated into the cam. This provides visibility even in extreme low light conditions without producing any visible glare. This is ideal for undisturbed sleep. And multiple storage option. We can choose how we store our data. Store it on an SD card, micro SD card up to 128 GB, no prob, or use the cloud storage. And the rotary is the key. 360 degrees smart pan and tilt. Not 360, of course. 90 degrees is tiltable. This helps our monitor every angle of any room in stunning clarity and vividness, which can provide us a more flexible view for the home security. The only thing is we have to dock it with the app. The app will give us a QR code. We have to show this to the cam and it will be connected immediately. After this, we can dock it where we like and we can start and make awesome videos with the Owltron inter-camera system. It's a 360 degrees pad baby or security camera with night vision, auto tracking, two-way audio, and it works with Alexa. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.